Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a recent trade of ours. This is a Stingray dual console 269. Great looking boat. Just recently brought it in here. We're going to start at the transom. First thing I notice, twin outboards, 200 Yamahas. Great power option for this boat. Moves it along nicely. The twins make it nice, efficient, easy to drive. You got rear seating here, so if you wanted to hang out in the water and you wanted to face back when the engines are down, great seats for that. You have a starboard side walkthrough. You have nice seating. You have a table for outside dining. You also have a live well for fishing, and you got rod holders throughout. You have several rocket launchers on the hardtop, as well as 9 rod holders in the gunnels throughout the rear. You also have rod holders here too, so this boat's definitely set up for fishing. Great if you want to take the family out for a day of fishing. You have a cooler here that slides out with another seat, so if you need an additional seat, you got your cooler right there. You have a nice prep station here. You got a sink. You got another place to store in here. You can make it a cooler or whatever you want to use it for. Moving forward, you have your passenger side seat here on the forward, as well as a head. On this side, you have your Yamaha engine data, you have a Garmin multifunction display screen, Fusion stereo, toggle switches, and this boat is equipped with the zip wake leveling system. If you're not familiar with this pretty new system that they're coming out, helps the boat trim out really nicely. You'll start seeing this on mini boats. And this is one of the first to have this kind of thing. One thing I like about this boat is the way they carry the color through. Notice the blue dash, and the underside of the hardtop is also in the same blue. So it has a really great look as you're walking through the boat. You got storage underneath your helm here, and then you have bow seating at top, as well as a windlass anchor. And you can see here just how deep the boat is. So it's a very safe boat to be out on the water. You feel very comfortable. You got handles here, you got armrest here. So great boat to fish in, very comfortable for you and the family or friends. If you have any questions about this Stingray or any other boat we have in inventory, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, our number is 631-424-2710. Myself, my name is Josh, or any of our sales consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.